Hello everyone, my name is Avinash. I am from Gujarat, India. Welcome back to the channel. So today we will gonna discuss about how to create the resume, how to create the perfect resume so that you can got the job offer. So first thing is that creating a resume is an art. Why it is an art? Because whenever you apply for any job position they ask for your resume, and if your resume does not match the job description, then you are not getting to get the interview call. So that is why you have to create your resume so nice and decent so that it can catch the eyes of the recruiter and you will get the interview call. So I have met many people who are applying jobs since 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, and they are not getting a single interview call. So why is that? Because your CV does not pass the ATS system, or your CV does not catch the eye of the recruiter. That is why you are not getting the call. So if you are someone who is not getting the call, you need to refactor your resume. You need to recreate your resume in a nice way so that you get the call. So guys, let's talk about how we can create the resume nicely so that you can get the call. So first thing is that Julia. So Julia is a software developer who is a self-taught software developer, and currently she's working, and she created this article on the Dev community, and this article got featured into the Dev community as well as on the Hashnote blog. So this article is very well researched and very well done. So she has given the very professional advice. You just need to follow this, and once you follow it, you will get the interview call. So let's get into it. So guys, your resume should be the single page. Your resume should not be the double page, triple page. Your resume should be a single page. All the information should be available in the one single page. Keep it simple. So your resume's design should be a simple. You should not create a colorful resume. Your design not should be a complicated. Whenever the recruiters see your resume, it should be a very simple so they can directly understand what what is the content is put into the resume. Hmm. Be boring in layout but creative and informative in content. Yes, so that was I was saying that your resume should be a simple and it should be a informative whenever the, because recruiter just spend 4 to 5 seconds to look at your resume. They don't spend more than a 4 to 5 seconds. So if your resume is eye catchy, then recruiter going to check out other links, otherwise it will not going to check out. What to write when you have no experience? So guys, when you does not have an experience, if you are a fresher, so let's say if you are a developer and if you are a fresher, you does not have any experience, write the internship experience, write the bootcamp experience, write the project which you have created through your learning. So that's it. Specify exactly which languages and tool you have used. Yes, so if you are applying for the front end developer position, then specify what are the languages you have used while creating your project. If you are a backend developer, then you should mention the Python, that you have used the Python in your project, Django framework. What to write first? So guys, now the sequences matter. So whenever the recruiters see your resume, they first see that what education background you have. So if you are belong to the, if you have done BTech or MTech, or if you belong to CS background or non-CS background, the every single thing is matter. If you have done boot camp, write that as well into your education section, that you have done 6 to 7 months of boot camp and you have created the projects and all that. So you should start with your education. So now let's see what she's saying. Always put the important thing at the beginning. Yes, so education is the important thing. So usually you start your resume with the information about your education, and that's perfectly fine. Yeah. And in my case, I started with my programming skills first because neither my education nor my previous job had anything to do with the technology. So she is not belong to the CS background. That is why she started with the programming skills and projects. What else to include in your resume? So if you are done very well during your college time, your grade is very nice decent, then you should mention your grade and all that. If you have done any program other than your degree, you can also mention that. And here is my CV. So guys, now the question is that where you should create your resume. So FlowCV and the Canva.com, those two websites are the one of the best website on the internet for creating the CV. And FlowCV is very popular. Whenever you create the resume through the FlowCV, it will pass the ATS system. It is ATS system verified. I am showing only one page of my resume here. Second one contain only additional item. Okay. So she is sharing only just one page resume here. So let's just look at it. So guys, here your name will go, your location, your email ID, LinkedIn, GitHub, and portfolio. Whatever the project you have done, you should mention it here with the link. So these link are very clickable. You should mention what technology you have used. So she has used the React, Firebase, Netlify. What the part of the project you have created, how it's working, all thing you should mention that. If you created the card page, payment page, all the things. Okay guys, if you created the UI of the website using the HTML CSS, you should mention every single thing. Now the technology, so she has used the technology HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Talent, and CSS. These are the tools she has used. These are the languages she know. She's her native language is German. Now the education, so she has a education in the front end developer. She has done the self taught. So she know these are the technologies. These are the education background she had. Professional experience. So she was working as an intern at the Collab Lab. She was working as an intern at the public relation and advertising and card procure and dealer coordinator. So these are all the things which she has mentioned in the professional experience is related to the tech. So you can also mention your last job which is not related to tech, but mostly try to mention the tech experience which is related to the technology. So this is how your resume should look like. Your name, all right, project skills and professional experience. So that's it all guys. You can create CV like this. Now I will show you few of my sample collected. So guys, I was collecting this resume sample for myself. So I have collected this resume from LinkedIn. So all the resume which are available publicly on the LinkedIn, I have collected in this my drive folder. So whenever I apply for the job position, I can take reference from that. How should my resume look like and what project should I include and what information I should write. So guys, I will mention the link of this sample resume into the description. You can look at the resume of the professional people. All people are professionally working in the nice companies. You should look out, check out all the resume, and then you can get the idea how you should create your resume. And for creating your resume, you should use the flow.cv website or either Canva. All right guys, so that's it guys. If you have any question regarding creating your resume, if you are not getting the interview call, if your resume not getting shortlisted, you can contact me. You can ping me on the Instagram, connect with me on the LinkedIn, or ping me on the Twitter, or you can join our Discord community and mention your problem there. That what is the problem you have, why your resume is not shortlisting. I will look at your resume. I will give you the detailed feedback what you should improve. So guys, that's it. If you have any question regarding to the resume or any other thing related to the tag, you can comment down your thoughts on to the description. So guys, drop your comments, like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, whoever need it. So that's it guys. I will see you into the next video. Until then, keep coding, stay strong.